Hey guys, it's me Taylor instead of Jado, back in with another makeup tutorial, So we're gonna get started and we're just feeling ourselves right now. We're giving you a kiss, mwah. Peace out, yeah, watch the whole video. So we're back. Yes, hi. Look at my Instagram, follow it. Look at my nails. Very okay, Jada. We saw him. Next, okay, we know you like him. Hey, we're just gonna put some two clips in our hair, to pull that lace back and to pull our hair back so it doesn't get in our face while we're doing our makeup. Very professional. We're gonna touch our face. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, y'all. Yeah, subscribe. She the best. Come on, let's go. We're just gonna put some moisturizer. I don't know where it's from. I think it's Fenty. Don't quote me until we see it. We're gonna rub it in with that little brush. Black Lives Matter. That's why we use black. It's Fenty, yes. Now you could quote me. Period. Come on, let's go, Jada. We see it. Come on. We're just rubbing it. Oh, Milk MILK primer. You gotta prime that face, y'all. We're using the same brush. Yep. Okay. Yep, not on the lace. Nope, not on the lace. Come on. We're gonna use a setting powder, to set that face in place so your makeup don't be sliding, slippery, It'd be perfect. And you don't want your pores to show because, that's bad, her boyfriend would still love her, but she probably wouldn't like her pores showing. We're just putting it all over our face, period. Another TikTok in me. Oh, we're gonna itch our nose. Yep. Dig in our nose. Yep. Take the booger. Make sure. Hair too. We're gonna fill our face. We're gonna put the Pretty Fresh foundation on. We gotta make sure make sure, disclaimer, y'all better get a foundation that matches your skin tone. Because if you got two tones, that ain't pretty. That's why Jada got a boyfriend. Because she has one tone face. And also because she's nice and her personality is bigger than life. Don't tell her that I said that. Because, she'll be all blushy. So you see how your foundation looks now? We don't want it to look like that. We want it to be matte. We don't want it to be... Jada, no, Jada, no. Sorry, RIP headphone users. No, Jada, no, this is not cute. We need to wash the beauty blender after this. We're going to use some concealer. I don't know where it's from, it's not very clear. We're going to put some concealer because, we don't want to see the bags. We only chase them. And that's on period. We're going to use the darker one. And we're just going to, that hides the bags more. Because, like a lighter one will, you'll be able to see the bags more. Oh, and as I say that, Jada decides to put a lighter one. Yep. But I think it's going to be fine because, she put a darker one. She's layering. Which your makeup could get cakey. You don't like that, but it's fine. Cakey makeup, whatever you like. She put a little bit too much on the chin, Your chin don't need that much. And we're going to use a brush and we're just going to, That's what you get for putting too much. But, it's fine. I still love you. But, we're just going to keep going. Keep going. Keep on swimming. Keep on swimming. And that brush was doing a little bit too little, and so we're gonna use the beauty blender. We're gonna check, make sure it's okay. Okay. And we're gonna go back to the brush because we put the perfect amount on the rest of our face. Make sure you blend it out. Don't just blend it in that one spot. Blend it out because you want it to be even on the lace, y'all. Yes, on the lace too. We don't know what she said, but it's fine. Yep. See? you're gonna blend it out. Don't blend it in the same spot. Don't like keep it in like your corner eye or your under eye. You gotta blend it out, or else you look like a clown. I'm trying to give y'all tips, you know. I'm the makeup artist here, not Jada. I definitely did go to cosmetology school at 12. Oh yeah, blend on the eye. You want to have nice, you know what I mean. Oh, nice even base. You know, I watch a lot of James Charles. Another setting powder. Okay, Jada. Cakey. Very much cake. Cake. Hey, all about cake. Hey. We're gonna put it all over the face. Yes. Okay. We're just putting some more, you know. Very cakey. We're gonna cake our face, you know. It's like there's cake left for tomorrow, Jada, okay? Make sure you have some left for tomorrow. You don't need to eat it all in one day. Make sure you get that mustache area. We're gonna use the Morphe palette, and not the palette, and it's just a Morphe. And we're gonna take a brush and we're gonna contour. You know, we're just contouring. You know, we want to look like the Kardashians without spending all that money in Beverly Hills, and you know, spending all that money and doing it to our face and like getting it a procedure and looking like so different. We're just gonna put it all over our face so we don't have to spend all that money. Period. We could be rich on different stuff. Like we could go out and buy whatever we want to, like buy all the makeup we need to do this. Yep, contour that nose. We need a James Charles nose. Yep, very much. We're using a Morphe X23 brush. And we're just gonna contour the whole thing. We're singing a song, and we got the AirPod, y'all. If you guys are doing your makeup with AirPods in, please do not get your foundation. We're gonna use a palette. We're using warm tones. We're gonna use some blush, you know, blush, because you know we like to blush, you know. We see a cute guy. That's how Jada is when she sees her little Kevin Bear. Gonna blush the nose too, you know, we gotta look like a doll. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. We're gonna use another setting powder. You know, very cakey, Jada, very cakey. All over the face. Oh, Jada, we know your clips are fine, Jada. Everybody comment down below. Your clips are fine. You look wonky now. Yep. Because she was pulling the lace a little too hard, y'all. Jada, we already know you kissed us. We kissed us earlier. Like 9 minutes ago. Setting spray. You know. Gotta set that face, baby. Don't come in. More setting spray. That's Morphe or Dior, whatever you want to be, is whatever you want to do. Jada, we don't know what you're listening to, so we don't need a concert. We're not. Okay, next we're gonna do the brows. You know, my favorite part. I don't know, that could be anything. You know, you can use James Charles, you know, you can use Morphe, you know, you can use the Sephora brand, you can use the Ulta brand. So we don't judge. As long as your eyebrows are on fleek, very sharp, we don't care, you know. Just make sure they look even, you know. That'll be very bad if your eyebrows are not even. You will be embarrassed, because I will say your eyebrows are not even. That's on period. Okay. We're on to the next eyebrow. We're gonna, just color every single eyebrow hair we have. That. Ooh, okay, we're gonna sharpen it. We're giving you very much sharp. We're gonna use, I don't know what that is, Versace. We're gonna put it on our eyebrows. Our eyebrows. We got that money. We're gonna use the baked brows, and we're gonna use that one. And we're going to put the warm, we're going for a very autumny look. Okay, we don't need to see that close. We can see your pores, Jada. We're going in for like a little pink, just give me a very much fall or very much, family reunion, not doing too much look. We're just gonna blend that all over our eyelid, the upper eyelid, and our whatever that is, our corneal something. We're gonna go on our lid, and we're gonna go in with a different shade or the same shade, I don't know because she didn't show us. And we're gonna go in with a little bit of a warmer tone. And yes, I did learn this from art class. You could take what you learned in art and use it in makeup, because makeup is art, even if it's good or bad. Like Picasso didn't start at where he is now. His art can sell for like millions of dollars, and it could be like 2 scribbles, and billionaire. So this is a billionaire makeup. If you're going to like a little place, you don't want to do too much, but you always should do too much, because you only live life once. Okay, should we zoomed out? Okay. Flip the wig back. Wig flip. We're gonna use the Anastasia. Oh, I think it's new. Anastasia Nicole Guerrero. Yep, Anastasia. I think. Oh, we got a new palette, new slate. Jada, show us the. Thank you, Jada. I think this is for our highlighter. We're gonna highlight our cheekbones. Gotta make sure our highlight is popping. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, wow. Yeah, that highlight's on point, Jada. I need to borrow that. Maybe I'll just pop in a few of her videos, y'all. Comment down below if you think I should. Okay, we're gonna highlight the nose, our forehead, our chin, our other. Jada, you should get some more highlight. They're uneven, y'all. Make sure your highlight is even. Oh, okay. She's gonna some more setting powder, y'all. If y'all pay attention to this, y'all gonna have some cakey faces. The Anastasia. She's saying wow. I don't know why. We're gonna use the Dollar Tree eyelashes. And we're gonna use the Dollar Tree glue. We're gonna put some glue on our eyelids too. Yep. Sorry for the background noise, y'all. Us people always have technical difficulties. Jada, you better not cut it out. Yes, your eyelashes look fine, Jada. Perfectionist, but it's okay. Oh, we're using the left hand now. Okay. Oh. Y'all, you might want to cut your eyelashes to your eye length. Okay, Jada, come on. We need to see the finished products, you know. This is 19 minutes. Oh, we're gonna blow it. Make sure it's tacky, and make sure you get as close to your eyelashes as possible, because you know we don't want that separation. No, we want them to be in a relationship. Like, we want them to cuddle, very much be cuddling. Yep. We're gonna flap, 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 fly away. And we're gonna line our lips. Yes, very much lining them, you know. Gotta make sure they pop. And we're gonna keep lining. And we're lining them with whatever color this is, you know, y'all. I don't know what color that is. Whatever color Jada chose. We're gonna line our lips, you know. That's just what we do over here, period. And is this some lip gloss? Yes. You know, this is very popping, like the 80s, 90s. Oh. This is not what we expected, Jada. We popping off today. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna take our fingers. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this, because it would be really bad if you didn't wash your hands before you did this. Yes. Okay, we're doing very good. Y'all did good if y'all watched through the whole thing. Please make sure you put a nail polish emoji if you stayed till now. Confused the other people. If you skip through the video, you're very rude, you know. We're just gonna put some more, and we're going to dab it. You know, dab. We're gonna put some more setting spray, you know, because the first one wasn't enough. We're gonna put some more. She needs a fan, you know, so she can just giving you very much Beyonce. Oh, we're taking out the clips, eh? Okay, it got stuck. You know, technical difficulties. We're gonna run our hands through. Yes, very much fix the wig, make it look as natural as possible. Don't take out the AirPod, y'all. Very important. Make it as natural as possible. Yes. Yo, okay. Where did she go? Oh, you see my cousin. Yes. And I am her favorite. Yeah. Okay, pop off. Yes. Hey. Pop off. Hey. Pop off. Yes. Giving you very much Beyonce. Giving you very much pretty vibes. Bye. See, she a copy. She did that in the beginning. She do gang. Hey, yes. Hey, what's she telling y'all? Hey, yes. Stop your mama. Ooh, yep. Okay, hit her line. Don't do that. She got a boyfriend. I will fight you. Oh, okay. Yes, giving you very much model. Giving you very much Black Kim Kardashian. Ooh. Giving you very much Black Kim Kardashian. Yes, hair flip. Yes, peace out, y'all. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What are you doing? Thank you for watching. Bye.